Put a little.
No.
You can put a little salt on.
Well, if you want to put salt, go ahead. Wait.
Let me look at.
Ew.
Ooh.
Is it gross? Put salt on it.
It tastes like
You want to drink it?
Sugar.
Salt or sugar, whatever.
Don't put too much.
You can
Don't
put
do that.
You can put a little Tabasco. Yeah, put a little Tabasco.
No, that's cheating.
Why?
Okay, fine. I just want to see you drink it.
Okay.
Do whatever you want to. I just want to see you drink it. Okay, good.
Do it.
I'm still recording. Hurry up.
No, why are you recording?
So gross.
Don't mess with it. Oh my god, that's a lot.
Nice. You're clear of the sink.
I'm scared.
Just do it.
What if I break it?
Just do it.
That's what you're supposed to do. In your mouth, look with your tongue like that.
Yeah,
So
right.
that breaks it, and otherwise it's just swallowing.
Oh, so what's the point?
Just do it.
Do it, do it, do it.
Oh. Cheers. Mmm.
You have to eat it. Eat it.
Mmm.
Eat it. Let me see. Open. Open. I want to see.
Ew. It's really big. I thought it'd be really small.